Hi lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you like it here and you do stick around. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jenny. If you are not, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Yay! On today's video, it's a vlog. I'm going home and I'll definitely take you guys with me. So let's go. They call it north, I call it home. So let's go home. Yay! Let's go. You guys must call it no? I call it no. So yeah, morning guys. We are home. On the best sweet home. Yeah. Home will always be home, guys. So see you later. We just stopped by our business, so yeah. Business. So we are here for food. Food. We are here for food. We want food. But yeah, looking so nice. If you are from Antabe, you'll know this. So yeah.
We are going to the birthday party, retirement party.
Hi lovies, it's the next day. So we are traveling to the farm, from the village to the farm. So I guess there's a difference between the village and the farm. So now we are traveling to the farm, and the farm is in Kavango West, but I forget the name itself. I forgot the name. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching until this far. So, and by this time this video is too long, so I'll just add two clips from the farm. So yeah. Welcome to Kavango. I need to go back before my face give up on me, guys. So thank you lovies for watching until the end. So we have come to the end of the video. So thank you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, do all those nice things, man. And I'm sorry guys for this vlog. I know it was all over, but yeah, next time I'll do better, and next time I'll show you guys around. I'll do better next time. So, and if you guys have a village and a farm in your country, drop a comment. Let's have a conversation. Let's talk. So yeah, bye guys, see you in my next video. And if you guys love village content, let me know. So thank you guys, love you. Hi lovies. It's the next day. So we are traveling to the farm. So I guess there's a difference between a farm and a village. So yeah, I am traveling, or we are traveling to the farm. So, and by this time this video is too long, so I'll just add, like I was saying, this video is too long, so I'll just add few clips. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video. So yeah. So okay lovies, we have come to the end of our video. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all those nice things. So I'm sorry, I'll give you nice content next time. I'll show you everything next time. For now, enjoy this video, and I love you guys, and thank you for supporting my dreams. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Mwah.